Hello my friends, today I will try to show you how to download and install latest version of Makehuman 1.2, and I will show you how to download and install plugin and add-on to export MHX2 type character and import into Blender. Firstly, let's open Makehuman's download page. Here you can download all versions of Makehuman and latest version as well. Click the link and we will be directed to wiki address for Makehuman. Go to bottom to where to download site. You can find download instructions for both Linux and Windows. Click Windows, download link. I already downloaded it. Then unzip the file and install it. After installing, two different Makehuman folders will appear in two different sites. One is here in C in program files, you have nothing to do with it, and the other folder is in the documentaries. All your data and plugins will be in this folder for Makehuman. All your data and plugins for Makehuman will be in this folder. Now let me show you where to download plugin to export MHX2 from Makehuman and add-on to be able to import it into Blender. After downloading the plugin for MHX, unzip it again, export import runtime MHX2 into the Blender Foundation folder, and export MHX2 plugin into the Makehuman plugin folder in documentary. After that, enable import runtime MHX add-on in Blender preferences. In next part, we will go in detail for MHX2 types. Thank you for listening. See you next time.